Greetings, folks. William Caleb back at you with another video, and this is another digital marketing product review. And we're going to talk about how awesome this industry is. I mean, digital products allow you to not have to have a physical inventory. You don't have to store any products in your garage, taking up all your space at your home in case something doesn't sell. These are all intangible, downloadable type of products or products and services where you would have to log into a membership area. So it's not nothing that you're physically using, but it is something you need, and it is something that can make you a lot of money. Digital marketing industry has blown up into the billions and billions per dollar per year in net income, and it's time for you to get a part of this. And the best way to go about it is building a list of people, building an audience of people who are already responsive to the type of products and services you'll be providing and offering. And we have full training on how do you find those people. In fact, let's take a look on the screen here. If you go to easymoneyschool.com/review, you'll come to this page that you see here on the screen, and all it is it's a review page I made specifically for this digital marketing opportunity that allows you to build your audience while making instant payments of up to $100 per payment, even $300, depending on what you choose, what level of the opportunity you choose to come in at. But I often tell people to just go pro, where they can make instant $100 commissions, and that's multiple times per day. And when I say instant, I use that word because the money is available to you in spendable form as soon as the customer pays. You have your choice in how you want to receive your money, whether it's PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, Stripe, debit cards. There are multiple ways that you can choose on how you want to get paid. That's totally up to you. And you'll see here it's a video going into great detail of the opportunity itself, also a little bit about me, a bit of my history, and why you should even listen to me. And I also show you proof. That's important. You want to work with someone who's actually achieve some results with the opportunity that they're offering you. You don't want someone who doesn't actually have any results to show. Well, here's my proof, and not just from me, but from others as well. Proof that they have received earnings, and the earnings, we have a special Facebook group. You'll see people are earning every single day, every week, every month, all day with this awesome opportunity. I also have a bonus. As I was mentioning earlier, you want to know where to get the people who are interested in your opportunity. Where do you find people who are interested in the various digital marketing products and services that you'll be offering? Well, I give you what is called my traffic buttons page resource, and you can only get this from me. This is a little resource I put together that shows people where to get interested people for particular offers. And it doesn't matter what niche you're in, but let's go ahead and click on the traffic buttons page so I can give you a better idea of what I'm talking about. Now, we'll come on over here and we'll just let it log up. I'm doing this all from my phone, by the way, using an interesting app called DU Recorder. It's a free deal that I use that allows me to do screen sharing right from my mobile phone, so I don't even have to go to my laptop. Okay, here we are at the website traffic buttons page. You use these targeted website traffic resources. These are the ones that most marketers, especially those marketing gurus that you see on YouTube and all over the net with the ads, they're not going to tell you about these particular traffic resources because these are the ones that they are using to get interested people to their targeted business opportunity pages, their affiliate links, and just their general web pages. these are the sources they're using. You'll see each button is a different color, and you'll just press the button pertaining to the type of traffic you need or that you want to learn more about. And again, you can only get this from me, William Caleb, and you'll just go to easymoneyschool.com/review. You'll see the review of the awesome opportunity that makes instant pay and build your list, and you're going to see the link to the traffic buttons page, and you don't have to opt in or pay anything to use this awesome resources. All I ask that you do is that you share it. You'll see the sharing links over to the left side there of the page. You'll see here is the sharing links there, and we have self-serve traffic where you can just click on this button and order the amount of traffic you want, whether it be from pay-per-click type ads or whether it be from those who are using their mobile devices. You know, most people are on their mobile devices most of the time of the day, and they're clicking on stuff in there. Well, what we do is we have a service where we can redirect the traffic of mobile users to your offer. And don't worry, it's all targeted by subject category and keywords. You'll choose the niche that you want the traffic in and simply order whether it's 100, 500, or 1,000 people you want coming. I also have this banner here, which is an awesome resource that's going to allow you to buy likes, followers, or subscribers on various social media platforms like Facebook, Reddit, and especially YouTube. You can actually buy real targeted views, real human subscribers to build up your channel and build up the views, thus building up your authority, thus building up your sales. I also have an SEO service that's going to get you in higher ranked in Google's search listings. We know Google is the mother of all search engines, and if you can get your web pages and links listed higher up in Google, well, the more traffic you can potentially receive, which means more sales you'll make. Just ask anybody who's landed first page of Google. I can tell you, you're definitely going to get a whole lot more traffic, and if it's an offer people are interested in, they're going to buy. We also give you a list of 30 free places and more opportunities here. This is all on the traffic buttons page, which you'll find again by simply going to easymoneyschool.com/review. And I just want to give you these resources because who's going to tell you where to go to get the people? A lot of time that's the problem that people are having. They're not actually knowing where to get people at. And I'm a publisher of a popularly growing blog called easymoneyschool.com. That's what you see on the screen here. It's the blog that I run, and this is where you would go for all kinds of free training. And I've been running this blog for a while, and I'm giving information for free. I'm giving free trainings where if you go anywhere else, there's going to be a cost to view the type of trainings that I have here and the type of trainings that I have over on the traffic buttons page. And we'll wait till it pops up right here again. This is the traffic buttons page here, right on the screen, right here. And there's only one place you're going to get this, folks. That's from me by checking out the list building opportunity that I have that also enables you to earn instant, multiple times per day payments of $100, as well as you're building your list. Doesn't get any better than this. Come on over to easymoneyschool.com/review so you can get started making those instant commissions. Once again, my name is William Caleb, and I just want to say peace and light. Everything's going to be all right.